Mastering road signs before your DMV driving test is the fastest shortcut to passing. Learn these 40 essential U.S. road signs and boost your chances instantly. Guess this traffic sign. A. No stopping. B. Temporary no stopping. Right, it is the no stopping sign. Identify this road sign. A. School zone. B. School crosswalk ahead. Perfect. It is the school crosswalk ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? A. No straight through. B. Do not enter. Correct. It is the do not enter sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Drawbridge ahead. B. Swing bridge. Right. It is the drawbridge ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Bump. B. Uneven surface. Well spotted. It is the uneven surface sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Steep grade hill percentage. Correct. It is the steep grade hill percentage sign. Guess this road sign. A. Weight limit. B. No vehicles over indicated weight. Right. It is the weight limit sign. Identify this road sign. A. Two-way traffic. B. Two-way bicycle lane crossing. Exactly. It is the two-way bicycle lane crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Slow sign. B. Yield sign. Perfect. It is the slow sign. Identify this road sign. A. Pedestrians permitted. B. Pedestrians crossing. Right. It is the pedestrians permitted sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Bump. B. Dip sign. Exactly. It is the bump sign. Identify this road sign. A. Offset side roads. B. Crossroad. Correct. It is the offset side roads sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Right shoulder drop off ahead. B. Rough pavement ahead. Well spotted. It is the rough pavement ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. No all-terrain vehicles. B. No snowmobiles. Right. It is the no all-terrain vehicles sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No littering. B. Litter container. Perfect. It is the litter container sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Straight through and right turn. B. Straight through and left turn. Well spotted. It is the straight through and left turn sign. Identify this road sign. A. No straight through. B. No passing zone. Right. It is the no straight through sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway crossing. Correct. It is the divided highway crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. No hitchhiking. B. No stopping. Exactly. It is the no hitchhiking sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Hazardous material route. B. Truck route sign. Right. It is the hazardous material route sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. National network prohibited. B. No trucks. Right. It is the National Network Prohibited sign. Identify this road sign. A. Reverse curve, right. B. Reverse turn, right. Perfect. It is the reverse turn right sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. B. U.S. route marker, 3 digits. Right. It is the interstate route marker, 3 digits sign. Guess this road sign. A. Rough pavement ahead. B. Right shoulder drop-off ahead. Exactly. It is the right shoulder drop-off ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bicycle and pedestrians. B. Bicycles merging. Correct. It is the bicycle and pedestrian sign. Guess this road sign. A. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. B. Hill bike. Well spotted. It is the bicycle slippery when wet ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Reverse, turn left. B. Reverse curve, left. Right. It is the reverse turn left sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Ramp speed advisory. B. Exit speed. Perfect. It is the exit speed sign. Identify this road sign. A. Crosswind sign. B. Dangerous crosswinds. Right. It is the crosswind sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Straight through and left turn. B. Straight through and right turn. Correct? It is straight through and right turn. Guess this road sign. A. No parking from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. B. No parking. Right. This sign shows parking is prohibited in the indicated time. Identify this traffic sign. A. Handicapped. B. Handicapped accessible. Perfect. It is the handicapped sign. Guess this road sign. A. No snowmobiles. B. No skaters. Correct. It is the no skaters sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Truck rollover warning. Right. B. 270-degree loop curve. Right. Right. It is the truck rollover warning right sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Side road at an obtuse angle. B. Side road at an acute angle. Correct. It is the side road at an acute angle sign. Identify this road sign. A. No parking, bike lane. B. No parking. Well spotted. It is the no parking, bike lane sign. Guess this road sign. A. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. B. U.S. route marker, 3 digits. Exactly. It is the U.S. route marker, 3-digit sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bicycle parking area, directional. B. Parking area. Perfect. It is the bicycle parking area directional sign. Guess this road sign. A. Pull through. B. Exit gore, no exit number. Right. It is the exit gore, no exit number sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Low ground clearance crossing. B. Do not drive on tracks. Excellently. It is the low ground clearance crossing sign. That brings us to the end of today's video. Subscribe now for more up-to-date DMV road signs guides, tips, and study materials. Continue boosting your chances of passing with these videos on your screen. See you in the next video.